Today we have the 2022 Kia Niro. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control. On our screen we can access our setup, button settings, media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a rear camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our climate control. If we press out of drive mode, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a black leather trim.